Hi, I'm really sorry I have to cancel class today. My husband shared a not very fun virus with me. I really hope I didn't get you guys sick on Tuesday. But I did want to share with you. I think a lot of you have the textbook already, but we didn't really get to it in very much depth. So I wanted to point out again, you do have a textbook. The material that we were going to cover today is probably something that you've seen before at some point, and the textbook's pretty good at explaining it. So I think you'll be able to um, figure it out just by reading through the section. So you go to our course and then chapter contents, and we're working in chapter one, excuse me, and obviously section two, and then we'll click on the multimedia e-text. Now it may take a minute because it's loading this whole thing, um, but once it gets loaded, we can just page through it like a regular textbook. It's always going to start us at the beginning of the section. All right, so we see section 1.2. Here are objectives for this section. We're learning about estimating, rounding, place value, and then estimating for results of answers, and also how to maybe do some models. Um, and then you just go through it with the pages, gives you an example, kind of explanation with the little blue bubbles. And then there's one that you could try if you wanted. You click on this, well, this is the video, sorry. It's a video explaining it, so you actually hear somebody talking through the problem and giving you the answer. And so on like that. So hopefully that'll help. If you have questions, feel free to email me. I will be checking. I just don't think I can make it through class today, and I certainly don't want to pass it on to you guys. All right, take care, and I'll see you next week.